Okay, so what I have with me here today is the Hicks Total Transformations exclusive hair products. This is the Hicks Edges. Their little logo here is because healthy hair is most beautiful. What I'm going to start out by saying about this product is it is a decent sized container. You could travel with it. It wouldn't be too much of a, hassle. It's not like a super small container, but it's not very big either. So it's something that you could slip in like a suitcase or like a purse. Not like a super small purse, like maybe a little bit of a bigger purse, like a handbag. But yeah, this is something that you can just kind of slip into one of those and carry it around with you for like good hair, or like if you're going on a trip, or if you're going to do something super important. This would probably be a good product to have. I like the container. It's white easily. It's like a plastic container, so it can be cleaned very easily if it got any like dirt on it or anything. The product inside is a very like thick consistency, and I've just known a lot more African American people to use this product than anyone else, and they have said this is a great product. I also very much like this product. It works so well. You don't only have to use this for your edges, but it's great for your edges because, like the product says, it's Hicks Edges. But like it's a lot harder to sometimes tame the hairs close to your forehead, and those can fly away a lot easier than the hair on the rest of your head because it's not as long. So this helps tame them very well, and a lot of times it's very hard for me to tame my hair, and this is a great product just to do that with. I'll just grab my brush or like a little small toothbrush that I haven't used for my teeth, like from the dollar store or something like that, and I'll stick the toothbrush in this and put it in my hair, and it lays them down very nicely. What I like about this product is that when you put it in your hair, it stays very like sleek. Like the hairs don't come up. Like your hair stays very like laid down, and just like you put the product in 5 minutes ago, versus like if you would go out and go to a party or just go do something that like would cause you to maybe build up a little like sweat or something like on your hair. And this product really is good for keeping your hair down, no matter if you do sweat or if you do get a little bit of water in it. Now, that's not saying like to go swimming or something with this product in your hair, but it is a good product just for making your hair look sleek and nice, especially the baby hairs in the front of your head. And it's just good to lay them down. I will use this for not only my baby hairs. I sometimes will use this as a gel, and it works just as well as a gel as it would for just your edges. You might have to use a little more because this is like an edge control type thing and not for your hair, like your full head necessarily, but it works just the same. You just have to put a little more in your hair. I like the packaging. It's a hard plastic container, so like if I were to drop it, it wouldn't just to break automatically like if it was in like a glass container or like a super hard like plastic like with corners or anything like that. Like it's a round container around the edges there. Who actually told me about this product is my sister. My sister is very big on wearing her natural hair, and her hair is very coarse. and she loves putting this product in her hair to make sure like it says, her edges are very sleek and look very nice and don't look like she's going to fly away or something. And I was so happy when I first started using this product. I've used so much of it, but I haven't used a lot to, like, when I use it, I don't use it to where you need, like, this isn't a need for a lot of product. Like, you put a little bit on your edges and it works just as well. As you just don't need to use a lot, and that's what I like about this. It also depends on how long your edges are. So if you have, like, not like long, because like your edges shouldn't be long, but if you have like thicker edges, like you have a lot more baby hair in the front than other people, then this is really good to use for it also, because it just helps lay them down very nicely. It was a very inexpensive product, which I really like, because a lot of products that you try to find to like tame your hair and stuff like that, they can be on the little more expensive side. It smells just like most hair products would smell when you put them in your hair. Like, it just smells like it belongs in your hair, honestly. It does not affect my skin, which I really like, because a lot of times when I put certain things in my hair, it'll dry them out, or it'll make my hair feel very hard, or my scalp feel very dry or very hard, or like just like it's going to crack or something like that. So I just really like this product. I've had it for a very long time, and I really like using this, not only for my edges, like I said, but for the rest of my hair if I need to use it. So again, this is just the Hicks Total Transformation exclusive hair products.